Hello, this is my first hotel room in Japan. This is the Int'l Garden Hotel Narita. It's about 30 minutes from the airport via shuttle bus. So from the front door, we have a closet here. I've already hung up a couple things. The closet comes with, I guess, a shoe brush, a shoe horn, whatever that thing is. An ironing board, slippers. I think that is like a robe, and those are ties, the obi kind of things. Laundry bag. I don't know what this is. I can't get it open either. I don't know what this is. I'm sure it's something to do with laundry or humidifying something. I don't know. Okay, then we have a little coffee tea thing. So we have a pitcher, a kettle. It looks really old, but I mean, I don't know. That doesn't mean it doesn't work. Well, let's look inside actually. Hey, pretty clean. Yep, okay. So we got little tea, green tea, and that's it. No coffee. Oh, it's fine. I'm not drinking coffee anyway. But ooh, goodness. Okay, that drawer's pretty bad. Okay, we have a mini fridge. I have put a couple things in there. We've got a place for your luggage and some little drawers. We have the TV and a big empty cabinet. This TV also kind of looks old. A desk and chair. This is a little sitting area. Those are paper screens. I'll open them a little bit. Okay, then going this way, there's the bed. It is well, it's an American double. I don't remember what they called it on the website. There's also a phone, an alarm clock, notepad, this thingy, my God. Okay, and here's the view. Going back to the door. So we've got a mirror. Hello. And then this is going into the bathroom. God. My first Japanese toilet. Okay, so let's see, here's the tub. Pretty big. With a shower. Excuse me. There's a big lip over the door there. Okay, we got sink, supplies. Ooh, a toothbrush. Ooh, 2 toothbrushes. And a tiny little toothpaste. That's cute. Oh, a hairbrush. These are good amenities. Oh, a razor. A body sponge. My God. Okay, these are good. These are pretty good amenities. I was a little worried when they didn't have individual bottles, but that's pretty cool. I don't really need a little toothbrush, but it's very cute. Okay, we got that. Okay, let's look at this toilet. Here is the, oh my God. Okay, here's the instructions. It has a bidet. I think that's a butt pressure. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is a toilet seat with a water cleansing function for your rear. Okay, let's get in there, let's look at it. It must come out or something, I don't see it. Oh my God. Okay, well, I don't know if I'm brave enough to try that yet, but we'll find out. Oh, and there's a laundry line. Good. Because I need to wash my socks before I leave. So I'm here only for 2 nights. Okay, I forgot to look in this drawer. What do we got here? A New Testament Bible. Relaxation massage. Floor guide. This hotel is really big. I'm on the 5th floor. There is a restaurant. That's where the 7-Eleven is. There's a Wi-Fi lounge that looks really nice. A smoking room. And then a laundry room downstairs. And a hotel information guide in English and Japanese, thank goodness. Okay, well, I am exhausted, but I can't go to sleep yet. So I'm going to drink water. Oh, I don't know what this is, but Line is what they use instead of like WhatsApp. They use Line over here. I wonder if I can sign up for that now that I'm in Japan. These little side things don't open. Oh yeah, let's look out the window. Okay. So, so these ones on the left come over. So like, supposedly people can't just punch through the paper. So this is just paper. Oh, there's glass anyway. Okay, well, I don't get the point of having paper then if you just have glass. Okay, how do we open this? I wonder if you can. It's really stuffy in here. Let's see. Okay, well we have, I guess when the sun is up and it's coming through the paper windows, it's probably nice. Then we slide. There's a handle, okay. Ooh, okay. Got it open a little bit. Tiny bit. I am on the 5th floor, so let's see. That's looking down. Well, you can't really see anything because of my light inside of here. Okay, hold on. Okay, I can't figure out how to turn the lights off, but I found something else. This is back here. Dehumidifier, I think? Right? What do you think that is? I don't know. And then this is for air conditioning. I really just need a fan. It's stuffy in here. So I tried to open this window. Okay, you can kind of see out. Whoops, sorry about that. Some business stuff back there. Construction stuff. I don't know. I found the light switch. It's this thing that I didn't know what it was. Let's see here. See how it's dimming? So it dims it off over here, at least, and then you can use these buttons. And then this says do not disturb. I don't know what that means. Foot. Foot of what? I don't know. Foot doesn't seem to be doing anything right now. This is a radio part. Morning alarm. Bedside lamp. But it's not really a lamp, it's just this thing up in the ceiling. But then also, how do I turn the hall light off? Okay, I guess, oh, okay. It's room, and then I can just turn this bed lamp on. Well, I guess that's better than nothing. I don't really like being blasted with light in the bedside lamp though. And let's see if I turn this off and turn room on. Okay, that's a little better.